Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set incoming calls attended automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That means if you receive any call, you don't need to press soft key or hard key to attend the call. So it will automatically attended within 2 seconds automatically attended, and you can speak to the opposite person. So for that, what you have to do is just go to this dialer, this phone icon, and go to this 3 vertical dots and click on settings here, and go to answering and ending calls, and here turn on this button answer automatically. Click over answer automatically, and you have the time to set. After 2 seconds it will attend automatically, minimum 2 seconds I think, and after 5 seconds also you can select. So after 5 seconds it will attend automatically. So after receiving incoming call in 5 seconds it will attend. Okay, after 10 seconds means after call coming within 10 seconds call will be attended. You can also set custom time. So here you can set the second, also you can set 1 second. Okay, here 1 second is also available using this custom time. So you can also increase custom time as per your wish. So only up to 60 seconds you can use. I think 90 is also possible. Only 2 digit is allowed here. 99 second, 100 second is not available. So up to 99 second you can use, up to minimum 0 to maximum 99 seconds you can use. Okay, so here I set 3 seconds. Okay, click on okay. Now I make a call from one of my phone. See here, just wait. So what will happen after 3 seconds of receiving incoming call will be attended. See here. But not working. Automatically answer calls after a set time while a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. So what you have to do is you have to use Bluetooth device or a headset. Okay, so here I don't have any Bluetooth device. It will attend automatically within this seconds. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.